Right, so we're going to start unbolting the struts. I find personally it's good to have the jack underneath the control arm with a bit of pressure on it, so that way you're not undoing the bolts under pressure. Basically, as soon as you crack them, you should be able to pretty much undo them. Yeah, I was trying to do this one up to undo it. Because sometimes if you've got a tight bolt, it can be handy to tighten it and then undo it, because you crack a thread.
Right.
Because apparently my guns aren't big enough. I have no fucking idea what someone has done with that. So they've had the wrong size bolt because it's meant to be heaps bigger than that. Look, it's bent. What can we do here, mate? Fucking get some tube, stick some tubes through there, and then we'll just cut it, and then we'll just smash it in, and it'll be mean. I might disconnect the sway bar so I can get a bit more lift.